is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? In today's video, we're just going to be ripping the KO 140 around. This bike is carbureted with 140 cc's. Hey chickens! I'm trying to pull it up in third gear, it's just not going to happen. It will in second though. Oh, that was terrible. Yep, that's just not going to happen. Let me try and get a decent one in second. That was not decent. I need to slow down a little bit. I'm going to turn around and try it again. I'm just going to give it a couple more tries because I ain't trying to loop again. I am not good at wheelies. That's for sure. So easy to do burnouts in the pine tags. It's like you're on ice. Third gear taps, buddy. It's so scary to get it all the way back to like balance point because this bike is only a 140, so you know it don't got enough power to do like just a straight power wheelie. I'm gonna do like a sitting still burnout. Whoa. I did not grab the front brake enough. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know if I like clutch dropped too hard or if like it just grabbed traction. I guess that's what happened, is grab traction. That's supposed to happen in the pine tags. It's been a little bit since I've been down through this trail. The last I remember there was a big old tree down. And yes, it's still there. I might have to just turn around, I guess. And I ran into the tree. And my bike died. Ooh, I'm doing a launch in the mud. Really, it's not even that muddy anymore. Now I want to do launches. I'm going to go all the way down here and do it, coming back this way. Alright, I'm going to do a 3, 2, 1, go countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. I hit that little jump and I just like endoed like a nose wheelie almost. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna try and just sit a little bit further back on the bike. Look at that nasty rut I put down. This thing's a bad man pajama son. Sit further back. It still does it. It's too short of a face. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm pretty sure that's what causes it being too short of a face. Or too short of a takeoff, whatever it's called. I don't know. How slow can I go before I take off my feet? How slow do I go before I stall out? Ooh. Oh, I took my foot off. I'm gonna try it again. Still. Oh. Is my front or my back tire flat? It's like I just drifted that doing nothing when I turned right there. It's also in the sand, so I might just be tripping. About to find out. Nope, it's healthy. Oh yeah, we're solid. Just this loose sand, I guess. What the world? GoPro go? Oh. Ooh.